Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lyndon Wood. I look past the headlines, dig into the numbers and tell you what the outcome really means for you. So the budget. And first and foremost, my last video, the lighting was a bit rubbish and my mic didn't come on. I didn't double check it, but it's on now. I'm working from my bedroom at the moment because I've got building work going on. But look, I'll get better at this stuff. It's about the content, not what you see. I'm sure you don't want to look at my mug and my specs for the next 10 minutes. So anyway, the budget. So it's attacking middle income earners, 30 to 80,000 pound kind of salaries. It's frozen income tax thresholds. So the impact is about 300 to 1,500 pounds a year extra tax. It's hitting high income earners, 80,000 plus. Impact 2 to 10,000. I'm gonna go through these. Landlords who own the property in their personal name, not in a limited company. Extra tax, extra 2%. Impact anything from £2 to £1,500 extra per year. Investors, dividend tax. There's fewer tax allowances. CG allowance stuck at £3,000. It's going to cost a few hundred to several thousands a year. Owners of £2 million plus homes. There's a lot of asset rich and cash poor. They're going to be hit £2,500 to £7,500 a year. This is great because this is now everyone's equally poor. That's what this country is all about, right? Yeah, not everyone equally rich. It's about getting everyone equally poor. So high earners using salary sacrifice, they're going to be hit for £1,000 to £4,000 plus tax every year. It's just, it's bonkers when there's so much evidence out there that reducing taxes benefits an economy, benefits a country. This is proven through Switzerland, Singapore, obviously Dubai, Luxembourg, Monaco. It's just proved everywhere. Reduce the taxes, economy thrives, investment comes in. Now, you've got to argue that maybe the Labour government don't like the risk reward, or maybe there's some other agenda. Who knows? I don't know. I think there's another agenda. I think it's the shadow people like give good old Keir and Reeves and whoever else a little tap on the shoulder. They start off meaning good, saying all the right things, get the votes, of course, and then they get in, and then everything was a lie. And this has come out time and time again. So many lies, all recorded, all on video, all on the news. So look, I think they get the tap on the shoulder, and the tap on the shoulder is, once your stint is done in government, follow these agendas, deliver these messages, deliver these outcomes, then you will be well looked after later on. You can get your big job at some big firm and get a big salary for doing a big fat nothing. It's the way the world works. I can't help but feel that governments these days, particularly around Europe, are more run by mafia-style organisations than they are Parliament. And of course, as we know, the parliamentary powers are taken away, now handed to courts and judges and lobbyists and corporations and Bank of England. So look, it's a fun time. It's an opportunistic time. It sounds like doom and gloom. Of course, it is doom and gloom as well. We're in a doom loop for sure. The country's absolute screwed. It's getting screwed over more and more. But look, there's always an opportunity. And I will use ironically, a Chinese phrase where in a crisis there is opportunity. And there's plenty of opportunity. I, for one, am setting up 2 essential businesses. So my background is, of course, a large business with well over 140 employees. Historically, I sold to private equity 4 years ago. Doesn't stop me. I've been through several recessions. I went through the financial crisis. I went through the COVID period. Yes, I did say COVID period. I went down to 2 weeks worth of salaries in my bank account. I couldn't get hold of my business bank. So look, these crisis moments, these chaos moments, always chaos before peace, by the way, these chaos moments present opportunity. We are in a shift, and you either get on board or you suffer, struggle, and just don't survive. So look, the end of this video, I'm now going to say, don't demonize success. Go and bloody learn from it. Have other videos based on wealth tax. Go listen to them, because I quote facts in there. I quote facts on what damages an economy, what damages a country, what damages jobs, your income. So there's an opportunity out there, folks. You just got to spot it, learn, listen, ask questions from those who have been there and done it. Just grow your income. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.